timber. Okay. I told you. Oh, you did it! Yeah. Stephanie's angry at Maya and me. She's mad.
So now you are no. Wait, no, my
I've always been your friend, like both of you.
closer to her. No.
Thank you.
I understand now.
Thank you. Everyone needs to say thank you.
Thank you. Oh. So Maya's sneaking in.
Oh.
Sneak. The secret room. Oh really? Oh, I thought it was like they had like doors that connected to our. Okay, sneaking. Rebels. And angry Stephanie. Oh, wait. Okay. Hey.
My favorite player.
Oh.
How do you say goosebumps?
Goosebumps?
Goosebumps.
I would say piel de gallina.
Huh?
Piel de gallina. Piel.
Foot of the hyena.
No, like skin of gallina.
Piel de gallina.
Piel.
Piel.
No, piel is nothing.
Piel de gallina.
De.
De. Piel de gallina.
So Adi just got goosebumps.
Because of rowing.
Trying it upside down.
Oh, sorry. No, that's what I'm talking about.
One of my very close friends live in Tasmania.
Australia or Tasmania? What's that? Wait. Oh, nothing. Okay. Yeah, it's very salty. I'm ready. Australia. I think that's Australia. No. Yeah, we were using it, but now it disappeared.
Should be there somewhere. It's low.
Yes. Oh, so good. Yay. Listo.
Exercises the lunges.
Ready? Oh, really? Oh.
It's nice, right?
Okay, come. I wanna appreciate the details. Wait, don't move.
I'm not moving.
You were moving. Okay, well, it looks good on you. Yellow looks good on you. Oh.
Birthday boy, birthday boy.
Okay, so what are we doing? Oh my
We
god.
are hiding. We locked the door. You see? It's locked. Try to open it.
Maya. Hola. Thank you. Khadija.
No chili.
Broken bottle.
Is it a pizza?
What?
Letter bottle. What's a letter? Letter in a bottle.
Okay, another word for letter. No.
No joking. Come on. Pineapple. Yeah, I think this
Dance. Oh, good. Okay. Okay.
contrast between the covered area and uncovered. Fully contrast. And for me, you know they had the swimsuit, right? Covered swimsuit.
So, this is gonna be on the market, guys. Yes, every one of them during the games. Some